Hello guys, welcome to our face channel. In this video I'm gonna talk about how you guys can edit a video, proof. Understand? So over here, if you guys need this app, just join my WhatsApp group where I drop update. Once you join it, message me. I will drop you the app. Tell you this app, you'll be using it. Once you just tell me that you're from my channel, I'll give it to you. So this app, you click on here that I added the photo. If once you click on here, you will see a plus icon. Once you click on here, you will see a plus icon. Like if you click here, it will take you to your gallery or upload a photo. If you want to do, you can do photo generate. You can put a photo. As I put a photo here, I can type in anything I want here. Maybe someone or your client or whatever told you to. Maybe you told you to anything. Maybe they asked you for a video proof, or you should call their name, something like that. You can type in the CN name or whatever. Once you type in it, you generate it here. Once you type in anything here, you type in everything here. You'll see the generate. You just generate whatever you want to type. Then that one is for picture. Then for video, you can also do by video. You can also use a video like this lady here. Now I'm gonna do this one for you guys. You can use picture and you can use a video. It does not matter if you don't have the client video or you don't have the picture of the person you want to use and work. So you go over here. This over here, you can use text. I can use text and type in whatever thing I want and generate it. Or you can use a voice changer and comb a voice. But this here, you can also comb a voice of this lady and use it to type in what you want to type to generate, or comb a voice of anyone you want to use. If you want to use a man voice, you can use a man voice to put it here. You can do it everything step by step here. You can type in what you want over here that you want the video to say. Like this video now, look at what this is saying here.
Go way back, maybe too far back, I guess. But yeah, I'm emotionally attached to these knee sleeves.
He's saying something else, but I'm gonna change whatever thing is saying there, and it will match to what I said. What I type in here is what is going, as he says, is gonna suck out from his mouth. Understand? So I'm gonna say maybe your client asks you to say that you should do a video and call his or her name. Understand? Let me just say, for example, the client name is Evans. You can say hello or good morning Evans, how was your night? You told me to do a video and call your name. Here is it. So something like this, can type in something like this. This is just an example. Now you know how you could type and edit what you want the video to say, and the video will say this is how to generate this video. You can also use this method to do people that are probing movie or whatever. You can use it depending what you want to use it to do. But I'm not doing this for you guys. I'm not doing it. It's just to show you guys on how to edit. So once you do it like this, then you can for you to upload a video on your own, you click on this avatar. Once you click on avatar, it will take you to your gallery and you upload a video. Understand? You upload a video. A photo does not work this side. The photo side was the first side I showed you guys. Then this side is video side. You click on this avatar, you will take you to your gallery and you upload a video. Then you can click on here background to change the background. You can even upload background for your back gallery. Maybe the person is in the bush and you want to change this video maybe you did the first one to the person, say you are the market, and you upload a background of a market to show there. Then you reach house and you don't have another video to represent, and you now look for another background of a house. You can also visit there and tell the person at home. You can even search or download a picture of a house and put it there, say that's where you are. For example, I can use it, but this takes time. It's gonna delay me to do all those things. It takes time, but I'm not gonna use it. When the thing load like this, it will change the backup, but you do it based on how the video is. This lady is on its steering, so you cannot use a house picture. It looks somehow, but if someone is standing on alone, you can use a background of anything to do it. You understand? You know how you're gonna edit your stuff. So I'm not gonna upload it. I'm gonna cancel it because I'm not gonna use it. So I'm just showing an example. That's how to do it. Then you will now, for voice, for this lady voice, I've already chromed this lady voice. So this is how you can chrome the voice. You click on voice. After typing what you want, click on voice. But if you don't want to chrome the voice, you can. There is already voice made here that you can select and use. Once you click on here, the voices you speak out. This one is for child, this one is for female, this one is for male. You just click on the one that matches through the lady's voice or the one you're editing. But if you don't want to, you can also chrome your own voice. Click on my voice. You click on upload a voice or upgrade your pro to unlock more. Understand? This is how, if you want to pay for your pro, if you want to pay for the premium for you to be able to upgrade a voice, I pay for the premium for me to be able to add this, my personal voice that I added here. This Pastor and Baby Relax that I added here. Understand? So that's how to do it. So you can choose any voice of your choice. You can choose any voice of your choice, even celebrity voices. Look at celebrity voices here. You can search the name of your celebrity here and put it here. Male, any kind of voice, you can put it here. So that's how it will work. So this app works free. It works free. It has a free part and it has a promo part. So you just select on the side you want. That's how this app works. So I'm now gonna click. I'm gonna choose a voice from here. I will choose this voice.
Hello, welcome to Dreamface.
I'm gonna choose this voice. This voice I'm gonna use. Gonna choose a voice or use any other voice. You can now just use any voice, and then you just calm down and select the voice that you want, or take your voice that you upload. This is once I'm the one that added this voice. This voice is a Chrome voice. I Chrome or these ones. Those voice I Chrome it. So I'm just gonna click on here, pick this one and click on confirm. I don't want the video to be too long. I just click on confirm and you click on here. Once you click on the green down, and the video will just do the work you sent the video to do. Once the thing loads to 100, the video will pop out, and everything I type in there will just start. So I want to pause this video until once the thing load finish. I will not click the video for you people to hear it.
Good morning, Evans. How was your night?
Now this is it. Now this is how it's gonna be.
Good morning, Evans. How was your night? You told me to do a video and call your name. Your is it? Good morning, Evans. How was your night? You told me to do a video and call your name. Your is it? Good morning, Evans. How was your night? And call your name. Your is it?
So once you guys have seen what you do is to just click on the download button here and download it, or click on post here and share it anywhere, or do any you want to do it. So make sure so you click on the save button and save it. So the video will just speak whatever thing you ask the video to speak. It will speak it. If you want it to be so longer, you make it to be long. Like here, make it to be too short. Anyhow you make it to be, that's how it's gonna translate it to you. So guys, that's how to be it. And one more thing guys. You guys should support your boy. You guys should support your boy and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel and click on each video. If you need this app, once you need this app, click on this video you're watching right there. That video you're watching, as you're watching it, after watching it, you click on the comment section of this video. Once you click on the comment section of the video, you will see a link I dropped. This is the WhatsApp link. This is the WhatsApp. And once you click on this WhatsApp, you join the group and you message me. I will give you the app and you will use it for free. I'm not taking any money. I don't take money. On the group, you will see I drop update back to back on the group for free. Understand? So please subscribe to my channel. If you don't subscribe to my channel, I'm not gonna give you. You're just wasting your time coming to my DM. I'm not going to give you. Subscribe to my channel, because I'm gonna ask you if you subscribe to my channel, because that's the first. Once you subscribe to my channel, I'll give you. I want to subscribe you guys. Turn on the notification button, guys. If you guys don't subscribe to my channel, I can't be able to be doing video again, to be posting. It will just be doing me one kind. You can come to my channel. I do so many videos. I do how to edit everything, even how to sign in Talkathon, whatever. I draw videos back to back on this channel. How to do fake video call. I do so many things here, guys. Subscribe to my channel so you miss out how to get US number, blah blah blah. I do so many videos here. I drop post videos every week here. Turn on the notification button.